Roborock has recently unveiled their impressive new robot vacuum mop, the Q Revo, which has both enhanced build quality and remarkable cleaning capabilities. However, it's worth noting that the previous S8 model from Roblox still holds its own as a reliable choice, so the question arises, can the new Roborock Q Revo truly replace the beloved Roborock S8 mop? Let's find out. Aesthetically, not too many changes are noticeable between these two robot maps, and all the differences can be found internally. Just like the Roborock S8, you'll find both black and white color variants for the new Roborock Q Revo as well, and that's pretty much it. If you check out the suction power first, the Roborock Q Revo boasts an impressive 5,500 PA suction power to ensure effective pickup of dirt and debris from your floors. On the other hand, the Roborock S8 mobs take it a notch higher with 6,000 PA to provide even stronger suction for a thorough clean. They also feature a dual roller brush, which enhances the sweeping performance and enables better pickup of large particles. Surprisingly, the latest Q Revo comes with less search and power compared to the previous S8 models, so it seems that even though the new S8 came out much earlier, it still manages to beat the new Q Revo in terms of suction speed. If you look at the cleaning range, Q Revo offers an impressive mopping range of up to 3.99 meters, making it suitable for larger homes. Besides that, it provides up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, reducing the frequency of manual intervention. The S8 variant, on the other hand, offers up to a 300-meter cleaning range, including a personalized cleaning schedule to suit your specific needs. Also, off-peak charging allows the robot to charge when energy costs are lower, ensuring a cost-effective and efficient cleaning experience. If you have a bigger household on your hands and want to go all out, the Q Revo is your go-to. But if you're looking for something more compact and efficient for smaller spaces, the S8 is ready to lend a helping hand. Obstacle avoidance and navigation are other important things that need to be considered before buying a robot vacuum. In this case, both models excel in this matter, making them reliable and safe cleaning companions. However, there are a few differences here and there. The Q Revo incorporates reactive tech obstacle avoidance with a Sensient sensor array to navigate around furniture walls and other potential obstacles to ensure that it can effectively clean hard-to-reach areas, in comparison to the Roborock S8 mob's ticket, which goes a step further with Reactive AI 2.0 obstacle awards featuring an infrared sensor that allows you to quickly react and navigate on objects in real time, further minimizing the chances of collisions, as we can see for some reason. Roblox decided to stay back when it came to putting the updated navigation technology on the new Roborock Q Revo, which is a bit questionable for them. Okay, let's take a look at the cleaning capacity comparison between these two robotic cleaning mobs. The Q Revo comes equipped with a whipping 2.7 liters of dirt capacity, which is quite impressive. On top of that, it boasts a generous 5-liter water tank, which means it can handle larger areas without needing constant water refills. Thanks to this additional multifunctional docking support, Q Revo is capable of cleaning itself automatically, which lasts up to 7 weeks. The S8 model, on the other hand, has a slightly smaller dirt bag capacity of 2.5 liters. Additionally, it has a 300 milliliter water tank capacity, which is smaller compared to the Q Revo. However, it doesn't come with a multifunctional dock just like the Q Revo, so you might need to change the filter manually quite often, but it's perfect for smaller spaces or quick touch-ups, ensuring your floor stays squeaky clean. As for overall design, both models offer decent functionality but use different technologies. The Roborock Q Revo comes equipped with dual spinning mobs that operate at a speed of 200 RPM, which efficiently scrubs off your floors. It also has automatic mop lifting of up to 7 mm, which offers seamless transitions between floor types such as tiles or wood. In contrast, the Roborock S8 mobs utilize the Vibrate Rice 2.0 mapping system featuring sonic mapping technology, which ensures consistent mopping. Pressure and high-speed scrubbing, which can be lifted up to 5 mm thanks to this advanced build quality units, will get a more thorough and efficient mopping experience, So when it comes to overall build quality, the Roborock Q Revo is one step ahead due to its higher operating speed and higher lifting capability. Now, before we jump to a conclusion, let's take a look at the price tag for both of these robot mobs. The price tag for the Roborock Q Revo is around $899, while the S8 version costs $749, which is $150 less. In the end, both the Roborock Q Revo and Roborock S8 mops offer powerful cleaning capabilities and advanced features to enhance your cleaning experience. While the Roborock Q Revo impresses with its decent suction power, extensive mopping range, and extended hands-free cleaning, the Roborock S8 mops excel with their impressive mopping technologies. Advanced obstacle avoidance and customizable cleaning routines aside, if you're looking for the best value, the Roborock S8 is definitely the one you should look forward to. So that was all about this comparison between the Roborock Q Revo and the Roborock S8. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.